What's the meaning of clincher? Clincher. Clincher.
Clincher. Clincher. The term clincher can have a few meanings depending on the context. In general, it refers to something that settles an argument or discussion definitively, or something that seals a victory or deal. For example, in sports, a clincher is a decisive score or play that secures a team's win. In business, a clincher might be a persuasive argument or final agreement that seals a deal. Overall, a clincher represents a conclusive result that ends a competition, discussion, or negotiation and achieves a desired outcome.